On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be traveling to Asakusa, Tokyo, specifically the famous Sensoji Temple. The area of Asakusa is amazing to explore, but we wanted to visit its main attraction, Sensoji Temple, which is Tokyo's oldest Buddhist temple. With over 1,000 years of history, Sensoji is considered one of the most photographed temples of Tokyo. Make sure to visit Nakamise shopping street, which is beside the temple, for amazing street food, souvenirs, and local favorites. You will be amazed at the beautiful colors of the temple as it displays an aura of red around you, and the smell of incense will take you back to a traditional Tokyo. Nakamise is a traditional shopping street located beside Sensoji Temple, and it is one of Tokyo's most visited destinations. With a history of several centuries, here you will find local favorites like street food, snacks, traditional souvenir shops, arts, crafts, clothing, and much more. I would recommend trying a delicious sweet bread called melonpan, filled with a tasty vanilla ice cream. Be prepared to be around many foreign and Japanese tourists, as this is one of the best attractions of Asakusa. Visit Sensoji Temple and Nakamise if you are looking for a more old-school Tokyo by seeing one of Japan's oldest shopping streets and temple.